Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preheating the oven to 180 degrees and placing the rack in the center. This ensures even rise and heat. Next, measure 500 g of chocolate premix, 2 eggs, 120 ml oil, and 180 ml water into a large bowl so proportions stay accurate. Use a whisk or an electric mixer on low speed and fold ingredients. This prevents overworking the batter while dissolving dry pockets. Once the mixture looks uniform, stop mixing immediately to keep the cake tender and airy. Once your batter is combined, scrape the bowl sides and mix another 20 to 30 seconds if you still see streaks. This tight window keeps gluten from developing. If you want texture, fold in 50 g chopped nuts or 30 g cocoa nibs now. Fold gently so distribution stays even. Meanwhile, grease and line your pan, then pour the batter in and tap once on the counter to release trapped air. Make sure the surface is level so the cake bakes uniformly, preventing doming on one side. You place the pan in the oven and bake for 25 to 35 minutes. Timing depends on pan size and oven quirks, so test with a skewer. It should come out clean or with a few moist crumbs. Once done, cool the cake 10 to 15 minutes in the pan so it sets, then invert onto a rack to finish cooling. If the center is underbaked, return to the oven for short intervals. If the crumb is too dry, drizzle a light simple syrup to restore moisture. That one fix often saves the final result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.